those reels that you're talking about where it's like a behind the scenes video and you have the wall of text, those are some of the easier reels to do,
Mhm.
and they do very well. Those do extremely well. So I'm doing some of those. Like I believe I'm doing one of those tomorrow. I'm doing some talking reels. Some of those, they're called word walls.
Word walls, yeah.
And basically you have and keep when you do a word wall reel, keep it very short. Now I know that you'll see a lot of people saying don't do 7-second reels. There are certain, it's that's why it's called a strategy. I'm not saying to do it on every single reel, but when you do word wall reels, the reason that those work is you're using a trending audio. You have a wall of text that there's no possible way people could read in the amount of seconds that you have it on the screen. So you want to keep those short, 5 to 7 seconds. What that does is it increases watch time. When I'm sitting there and you want to make that first line of that word wall something that's different, not the same thing that people that are interested in your niche have heard a million times. Like, if I posted a word wall about how to grow on Instagram in 2024, my first line shouldn't be engage with other creators. No, that's been said over and over again. I would put something at that first line that was different, something that said something that people haven't heard before. You know, which is what you'll see a lot, and that's how people are capturing your attention right now, saying that, they would put on there the algorithm has changed or something, and you're of course going, well, that's why my reach is low, no wonder, let me check this out. Think about that. Think about how they are capturing your attention and how they are making you save that reel with that word wall, or watch it over and over again, trying to watch all of that list, because that is increasing how many times you're viewing that reel. And that's what's going to work on your content as well. When you have a reel that's only 5 to 7 seconds and they can't read that whole thing, and you make that first line super intriguing, then they're going, well, let me watch that again. Maybe I can just get like the first 3 lines out of it. Nope, that didn't work. Okay, let me save this for later and I'll watch it. Let me screenshot it. Let me watch it again and screenshot it. Oh, the screenshot didn't work. Let me watch it again and get the screenshot to work when the words are actually on the screen. I mean, how many of us haven't done that before, where we're like, let me get a quick screenshot, and then the words are gone and it's moved on to the next reel. All of a sudden you're like, crap, let me go back. And you go back and you watch it again. That's how they're getting so many views. That's how they're getting the views on those reels. And you can use that to your advantage.